Hello friends, in today's video we'll talk about IFERROR function. Now we can use IFERROR function to tap and handle any error within the formula. So if there is an error within the formula, it will give us the result that we are defining over here. So let's see this with an example. Now I have this small table over here. I just have sales and quantity over here. So I'll just do a random calculation by saying quantity divided by sale equals to this divided by sales. I'm getting 276 and so on. So I have copied down the same formula and I'm getting division error for these because I don't have any value over here and there's 0. So anything divided by 0 is a error. Now if I write the same thing with if formula equal to if error, then I say quantity divided by sales, and I say, now if you look at the formula, it says my value. So in place of value I have my formula and value if error. So if I get an error for the first case, I want something called NA. So see, wherever I was getting division error, now I'm getting NA. Now this was the first case how we could write if error with NA. Now what if I don't specify what should be my result? So I say equal to if error this divided by sales, comma, and bracket close, enter. And I copy the same formula down. So I'm getting 0. So if we do not specify a value if error and leave the section as empty, it generally treats that strings as empty cells. So if we want output, like here I have defined NA, we can do that. Or if we are fine with anything, empty cell or 0, or it could also give you a blank, we can just do this and leave. So we can just leave the latter part of the formula as blank, how I have done over here. I hope I could give some tips on how to use IFERROR function. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, do hit the like button, and if you want to get notification or automatically update of all the future videos that I'm going to post, do hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.